When it comes to home decor, wallpaper and textiles play a crucial role in setting the tone and ambiance of a space. However, like any design element, trends evolve over time, and what may have been fashionable a decade ago might feel outdated today. If you find yourself surrounded by wallpaper and textiles that no longer excite you, it's time to consider refreshing your space. In this video, we'll explore some outdated wallpaper and textile trends and provide creative solutions to bring your interiors up to date. One. Floral overload. Once a popular choice for wall coverings and fabrics, excessive floral patterns can now make a space feel overwhelming and outdated. Rather than completely removing the floral element, consider opting for more modern and abstract floral designs. Choose wallpapers and textiles with larger scale blooms, muted color palettes, or incorporate botanical-inspired prints with contemporary twists. Two. Busy geometric patterns. Bold and intricate geometric patterns were once a staple in many homes, but their excessive use can make a space feel cluttered and visually overwhelming. To modernize this trend, opt for simplified geometric patterns with clean lines and larger shapes. Choose wallpapers and textiles in subtle color palettes, such as soft neutrals or monochromatic tones, to create a more sophisticated and balanced look. Three. Faux finishes and textures. Wallpapers and textiles that mimic natural materials, like faux wood grain, faux stone, or heavily textured fabrics, were once popular for their ability to add depth and interest. However, these designs can now give a space a dated appearance. To update your space, consider embracing genuine materials instead. Incorporate real wood accents, stone finishes, or textured fabrics for a more authentic and timeless look. Four. Oversized damasks. Damask patterns, characterized by intricate motifs and a formal aesthetic, were widely used in wallpaper and textile designs. While these patterns can exude elegance, oversized damasks can make a room feel heavy and outdated. Instead, choose wallpapers and textiles with smaller-scale damask patterns or opt for its inspired designs in modern color schemes. This way, you can achieve a more contemporary and sophisticated look. 5. Pastel overload. Pastel shades were once a popular choice for wallpapers and textiles, particularly in bedrooms and nurseries. However, an excessive use of pastels can create a dated and overly saccharine look. To modernize your space, introduce bolder and more vibrant colors as accents or focal points. Consider using a neutral backdrop with pops of bold color in accessories, artwork, or smaller scale patterns to create a visually balanced and updated space. Updating outdated wallpaper and textile trends is a fantastic way to breathe new life into your space. By reimagining traditional patterns, simplifying designs, embracing genuine materials, and introducing contemporary color schemes, you can create a more modern and aesthetically pleasing environment. Remember, design trends will continue to evolve, so don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your space to reflect your unique style and personality. Happy decorating!